Hi guys, today I will explain how to withdraw Tron from Trust Wallet. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your application. Once it will be open, if I scroll down, this one is my crypto list, and here I need to find Tron. And here you can see the Tron crypto. In order to withdraw, click on it, and here you will see multiple options. From these, you have to click on the option Send, because we want to withdraw. I need to enter the domain name of that account to which I want to withdraw my Tron. So what I need to do is I will open my Binance because I want to withdraw it to my Binance. So I will minimize it and I will open my Binance. Binance is open. Click on this option, Quick Funds. And here you have to click on the option Deposit Crypto. On the top, you can see a search bar. Click on it. And here you have to enter TRX. And here is the Tron. Just click on it here. Also, you have to choose the first option. Now, the address has been created. The last thing is click on the option Copy. Now, it has been copied. What you have to do, minimize the Binance and open your Trust Wallet. And here, paste the address which you copy from Binance. The next thing is, enter the amount. Once you will enter. If you want to create a memo, then click on it and create your memo. And once you will do everything, the next option will be enabled. Currently, I don't have any amount, so that's why this option is disabled. But once you do, the next option will be enabled, and by clicking on it, your order will be in queue, and within few minutes, you will withdraw your Tron from Trust Wallet to Binance. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.